Hey up everyone, and welcome to Benalmadena. Now in today's video I'm going to show you around the Hotel Triton here in Benalmadena. This is where we're staying. We're staying on a half-board basis and we're here for the new year. So we'll have a look around the outdoor areas, we'll take you to where the restaurants are, I'll show you some of the food and I'll do a room tour. So if you want to come with me, come on, let's go. And as you can see, this hotel is absolutely huge. For all that glass. So as we walk into reception, you'll see it's Christmassy. We've got old St. Nicholas. Reception. Lots of really nice comfy seats. It's also got its own outdoor seating area. Little terrace. Now this has also got some parking underneath, and it's got premium rooms. They've got their own premium terrace. We're not in them, so fortunately I can't show them yet. And it's also got a sky bar, which is currently closed today, so I can't show you that either, but that's on the roof above the reception. You can see it's got a lovely view from here. Right, I'll go and show you his room. So we'll walk back through reception, past the comfy seats. So we're in block 1, floor 4. And there's 3 sets of lifts. So you've got the panoramic on the end, the panoramic on the other end, and some normal lifts in the middle. But I'm going to take the stairs. So inside, we start with the evacuation plan. Wardrobe space, open shelves, safe, some drawers, some more open shelving. Watch your fingers as well, because you can trap them. And loads of hanging space. On the wall here you've got your air conditioning unit, which is all in Spanish. And the first time I put that on, we wanted it on heat and I put it on cold. Karen wasn't happy. So this is his bathroom. We start off with a lovely mirror with a light round it. Shaving mirror for the men. We've got an hairdryer that works. Gel de Bano shower gel. They give you all these as well, and they top these up. So there's your sink, 2 hand towels, the obligatory bidet and toilet, and in here you get a shower with screen, but it's in a bath. Now this isn't a problem for us because that bath is quite low, so it's easy to get in and out. If you need a shower, I think they do rooms with walk-in showers as well, but you'll have to ask for one. So as we come into the room, you've got 2 double beds. Now they are doubles, so it's up to you whether you both want to squeeze in one or do what we've done and have loads of room to yourself. In between, you've got your own night light, reading light. You've got a socket for each person, which is European obviously, and a phone, a drawer, and a cabinet in between. So obviously that's in between the beds. You've got a massive telly on the wall. Now you do get a kettle and 2 cups. But they don't provide any coffee, tea or milk. So either take it from the dining room, like some people do, or just go and buy some from the supermarket. And I don't know what these are for, but they do put these at the end of both beds. It's a little seat with a little table. Then you've got this stool with your desk, 2 chairs and another desk. Light on the wall, and then we come out onto the balcony. As you can see on the balcony, you get 2 chairs and a table. some hanging space for your wet stuff in the summer. And this is the view we've got from our balcony. So yeah, it's a very spacious balcony. Really is nice. It's nice sat in it, and very comfy, them chairs as well. You don't usually get that, but they are very comfy. So that's the room tour. Let's go and have a look at the outdoor areas here at the Hotel Triton. So it's back down the corridor. And if you're staying at this end of the hotel, you can use the panoramic lifts. As you can see the view from the panoramic lifts. That's all the outdoor area at the Triton. So we come out here, and this is the gastro bar here at the hotel, which is a second bar. See, it's very comfy. And in here they do a cocktail of the day. You can see all the different ones. €4.50. And you come out to an outdoor seating area. It's really nice. It's got its own stage, which I guess that they use in the summer for some outdoor entertainment. Loads of seating. And it's even got a food truck. Now, we haven't seen this open, so this must just open in the summer months. But you can see it's got loads of seating here. And really comfy as well. Look how nice they are. And can you see these? Can you see your sensei sitting in there having a cocktail of the day? And they've even got their own seats and little table, look. And this is straight out onto the promenade here at Benalmadena towards the marina. And you can see we've got some sunbeds here, and the seating goes forever. There's loads of it. And over here we've got some table tennis tables, some pool tables here, and even an arcade for the kids. Plenty of machines. And just outside it shows you all the entertainment that's on every day of the week. You can see ping pong, darts, crazy games, and then your evening shows. Right, out of the arcade, and we'll go over towards one of the swimming pools. You see, this is obviously where they eat the food from the food truck in the summer, but seeing as though we're currently in January and the sun's not out, it's not open. So there's your opening times of your pool, 10 till 6. And I believe, we haven't actually seen it, but they don't actually open the pool either. So people have to queue for 10 o'clock, so you can't actually put anything on the sunbeds, which is a good thing. So if we walk into the pool area, down the steps, and here's your pool. Plenty of sunbeds, plenty of shade, and quite a big pool. And I'm guessing in the summer there's beds under the shade there as well, obviously letting the grass grow in the winter. And it's even got its showers, look. And then the best thing, if you want the views, you go out of this gate here, is these on the front. You can look at the pads on these. You see the sun's coming out, look, for us. So you can also have these as well, and you can't reserve these, so it's first come first serve. And some Balinese beds at the end. So yeah, there's plenty of sunbeds around this pool. And I'll go and show you the gate to where you can get onto the front. So this gate here takes you straight out onto the promenade, and you just use your room key to get in and out, and it's open 24/7. Right, let's make our way back up here. See plenty more sunbeds here. And it also tells you on the signs all around the hotel where everything is. As you can see, the panoramic lifts that we come down. Right, so this is a bit zigzaggy now. Right, so if you go up here, I'll show you the little kiddies park. That's where your kids clubs are, your animations, and your little kids park. Right, let's go and see the splash pool. So as you can see, where they've cordoned this off, in the summer you would actually go that way. But like I said, they're trying to grow the grass, so we have to go zigzaggy. You've got some more shaded areas here that they use in the summer. And this here is the kids' splash pool. How good's that? Plenty more sunbeds around the splash pool. You can also get into the swimming pool that way as well. So as you walk up here, you've actually got an indoor pool that's covered. I'm guessing it's heated, but I don't know. And on this side is your splash pool. And here we go up towards the bar area. So like I said, it's jiggy jaggy. Yep, you definitely get your steps in around this hotel. So from up here you've got your indoor pool, your splash pool, your main pool. And that's the area we've just been round. And then your kids club and play area. And as we turn around, we've got this massive outside seating area for your bar. It's huge. So we're walking, that's the bar area. And all its seating area. And over there it's got a stage. It's massive. The bar. And more seating areas here. You've got your little library if you want to do your books. Around here, you've got a couple of pool tables, as you can see. The telly where they show the sports. And more seating areas. Right, let's walk through this way. Told you it's a big hotel. Some vending machines if you want to buy some pop, water, chocolates. And it's got its own shop. Not been in here, so I don't know how expensive it is. That's the Saga Lounge. So if you come with Saga, that's where your lounge is. And then through here is where we go to the restaurant. So if you're staying in a premium room, this is where your restaurant is. It's not open at the minute, so I can't show you. And then if you drop down these stairs, that's where the normal restaurant is, which is called Le Mercado. That's not open either, so I can't show you that. But I will drop some footage in of the food.
I thought it would kill me. I thought it would kill me to fall again. But I hit the ground running. So I didn't feel a single thing. My mind was occupied, man, I was on a high. I could run forever to get a minute, just a minute of your time. If this is what it's like, I could get used
we come back up from the dining room, back out onto the terrace. La Brasseria. And that is where I finish my tour of the Triton Hotel here in Benalmadena. What did you think? Let me know in the comments. Have you stayed here? What do you think of the tour around it? Does it look nice? Thank you for coming with me. And until the next one, from Benalmadena, goodbye.